How to make your visa application stand out from thousands of others. Did you know that every year, thousands of visa applications get rejected simply because they fail to stand out? If you're serious about getting your US visa or green card, you need more than just the right documents, you need a strategy. In this video, I'll show you how to make your visa application shine above the rest, so you can maximize your chances of approval. Common mistakes that lead to rejection. Generic applications that don't highlight your unique qualifications. Incomplete or inconsistent documents. Failing to present a strong case for why you qualify. Sounds stressful? Don't worry. That's where EB1 Next Level comes in. We don't create visas, but we make sure your visa or green card application is at its absolute best to increase your chances of approval. 5 expert tips to make your visa application stand out. 1. Clearly highlight your achievements. Your application isn't just about filling forms, it's about telling your story. Showcase your unique skills, talents, or professional impact. At EB1 Next Level, we help you craft a compelling case that highlights your strengths in a way immigration officers will notice. 2. Provide strong supporting evidence. Many applicants get rejected because they don't provide enough supporting documents. Letters of recommendation, media features, or awards can make a huge difference. We guide you in gathering and organizing the right documents to build an airtight case. 3. Be concise and professional. Immigration officers go through thousands of applications. If yours is messy or unclear, they might not even read it fully. Our team at EB1 Next Level helps you refine and polish your application for maximum clarity and impact. 4. Address any weaknesses in your profile. Got gaps in your work history? Lacking publications? Don't ignore them. Explain them strategically. We help you present your profile in the best possible way, so minor gaps don't hurt your chances. I do work with professionals who know the process. The visa process is complex, but you don't have to navigate it alone. EB1 Next Level has helped countless professionals, entrepreneurs, and talents like you successfully apply for their US visa or green card. Let us help you too. Want to make your visa application stand out? Let the experts help. Click the link below or visit EB1 Next Level today and take the next step toward your American dream. Don't risk rejection. Get expert guidance and make your application shine.